Hi guys, this is Jason with Hortus, and today we're going to get started on what I think is going to be a very nice series of videos in regards to how to grow proteas. From what I've seen around on YouTube and online, there's not that much information out there for growing proteas, so I wanted to take the liberty to share my enthusiasm and my passion for growing this plant and take you on this journey. And we're going to cover everything from cuttings to seed to the different varieties that can be accessed and really go from seed to sprout. So let's gonna go ahead and take a look at this box here. Now this, if you've been following on the Planet Protea posts and everything, this was my recent shipment that came in from Cape Town, South Africa. This is from Silver Hill Seeds. In my opinion, they are the best source for Protea seeds. I know there are a couple other seed vendors that are online, but my preference is for this one just because of their commitment to great service, great quality seeds. I've done growing with a batch before out there in the shade house, and they're doing fantastic. But let me take you through this box here and show you what we're going to be working with for this series of videos. So first, yes, and I have cracked into this before. I just wanted to make sure everything was there so that ready for this video and all. So first one is Protea Nana. This is dwarf Protea or miniature Protea. Not as small as most people think. It still gets up to a fairly large size plant. I've never grown this before. I've only seen it in photos and some watercolor paintings. Very excited to start these. We'll be taking care of the pre-treatments in the next video, but this is going to be mainly going over what types of Protea seeds. So if you happen to have that seed and you're wondering how you can get it started, we're going to cover that here. So Protea Nana would be the first one. Next one in here, Protea Aristata. If you've been following, I do have a set of Aristata that I've already gone, and they're sprouted, which is wonderful. I wanted to get more just to make sure that I could show people how to start them more on a visible level on a video. Next one, Scolimocephala. This one here is that thistle leaf one, or the thistle Protea. Very nice. I'm very excited to keep going with this one. I had really good success with these ones too. Sprouts are really small. Okay, Exemias. These are really nice. Exemias are really great seed. I can feel now, compared to like a, let's see, the thistle leaf and then the Exemia. These are both 100 seed packets, but you can see there's definitely a significant difference there. Exemia is really nice. I love the color that comes off of those. Okay, moving on. Venusta, Protea Venusta. That one's really nice. Protea Caphra, common Protea, if you will. I've never grown this before, so this is going to be really fun taking this one for a spin. Okay, there's that. Okay, Protea Grandiceps. So, the Grandiceps I currently have that's out in the yard, it's actually one that I had purchased as a plant from a friend. And it's a great quality plant, but I wanted to start from seed just to kind of go from start to end there. Little ambulance passing by there. Next one, Protea lanceolata. That one's a really nice one. Coronata, Protea coronata. So this is that one that produces the green head. Really excited to start this one as well. Okay, Protea nitida. This is going to be called the waboom or the wagon tree. A lot of people used it, harvested the wood for it to use to make wagon materials. Protea obtusifolia. So obtusifolia is a little bit of a larger shrub, nice wide leaf on it. So haven't grown that one before, so I'm very looking forward to that. Protea mundii. Now mundii for some reason have been a little tricky for me here. They've kind of frosted and burnt, and there's just no happy medium for it in my yard. I'm going to try to start a couple more specimens and see if I can get that going. So Protea mundii. This one I'm really excited about, Protea speciosa. Now the first time around when I got this seed, I actually failed. So having this here, gives me another chance. I know I've refined my technique, and we'll be going through that. Hopefully we'll have some nice specimens there. I haven't really seen any of these around in Southern California, so looking forward to that. Protea repens. So this is repens white. Now you can see this bag's open because I got so curious about it, and I will dig into this afterwards, but Repin's white. And then Protea compacta. Now, as the name may go, compacta, you look at this envelope and it is a lot bigger compared to what you see there on the table. It's a really big envelope and the package is really thick. The seeds on the compactas are huge. So if you refer to that original Shade House tour, you'll see that my compacta seeds, or my sprouts, they're fairly large for what they are. The seedlings are huge. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this, set this here, scooch everything aside. There we go. Put that all aside. And let's take a look at this Repin's white. So when you look at the Repin's white seed, you can see these are huge. Okay, Repin's white. These are really huge seeds. I mean, there's a lot of the hairs that come on the seed already, but when you pulling back the hair, you can see that right there. That in itself is the seed right there. So I'm kind of holding back all the hair. So about that long, this thick. Yeah, this is a pretty hefty seed here. So looking forward to getting this all started. I will be doing that actually later today. But thanks so much guys for taking a look. I hope you're really excited as much as I am. And I'll see you in the next video. We're gonna get this pre-treatment going. Thanks.